At a very tender young age, I had dreams of only men in red capes. Cities filled with wild and crazy bad guys. Begs for help from oh so needed heroes. Picking up the people's random garbage, trying to help the city's lost kittens, telling kids to pick on those of their size, kicking butts of thieves, including this guy. Makes them all be aiming a little bit higher, bringing justice to the whole world.